What's up, family? Welcome to Sneaker Notes. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is like one of the hardest videos I ever had to do. Anybody know me? Kobe Bryant was like God to me, man. And been a Kobe fan since '96, but I know that like with the whole Mamba mentality, he would still want me to put this video out and still doing what I do. So here's an early review on the Jordan 3 SEs. Let's get to it. Yes, sir. So everybody know that before we get into it, man, welcome to Sneaker Notes. I appreciate everybody who clicked on this video right now. If you happen to be a Kobe fan or a Laker fan, I know you're trying to like get away from everything. I can't even watch NBA TV. So I'm gonna help us try to get away from the whole situation. Right here is an early review on the Jordan 3 SEs. The whole Chicago NBA All-Star Weekend is going to be crazy. I'm happy I got a chance to get these early because that list of all those sneakers I need for All-Star Weekend is crazy. So this video is an early review on them. We're going to get into it. You already know how we do. Sneaker Notes.
Sneaker Notes if we talking about kicks. You know the vibes.
Yeah, man, a little emotional, but we back, man. Welcome to Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for your boy. Tap that notification bell so whenever I upload an early review, you'll be one of the first to get it. Like I told y'all, today is on the Jordan 3 SEs. A lot of things special about this sneaker besides the dropping All-Star Weekend. And if you ask me, man, these look so similar to the DJ Khaled Grateful joints that we seen pictures of maybe a year and a half ago. So I'm happy that a lot of people going to be able to get their hands on these because them Khaled joints are going for like 20 racks off the bat. Super dope. We're going to get into an in-depth review, but you know what we do here at Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. So this is part of the video where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below. It takes 5 seconds and let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. I like to look through the comments and check what people rocking on foot because even though I have a lot of sneakers, there's always some that I don't have that I always thought was fire that I just forgot about. And you guys keep me up on game and you guys remind me, you know, all barbershop talk. So like I told y'all, I'm dealing with the Kobe Bryant situation. All read out. So on foot today, I got on one of my favorite Kobe sneakers, and it's the Kobe Christmas joints. Super dope. Whole bunch of Christmas detail. Even have a Kobe Bryant ornament on it. Super dope. I hope they retro all of these. So again, on foot today, I got on the Kobe Christmas joints, the all red joints with the green ornament. In the comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot. And without further ado, unboxing time. Unboxing time. Boom. Now, I mean, I know I got a lot of loyal people who watch these videos, man. So I'm always give y'all what I could give y'all. And if y'all know me, y'all know I'm a big fan of presentation. And this box here does not disappoint. They put like the Fearless red box, as we seen often, as like 4 or 5 Fearless pairs of Jordans dropped in the last couple of months. And then they kept it original here and still gave you your elephant print. So you got Fearless, elephant print. They combined it. Super dope. The box reads Air Jordan 3 Retro SE. SE, I am assuming, stands for Special Edition. It should. Color is fire red, cement gray. Now let me tell you, with fire red Jordans, they always go over my head. I hate too much red. I know I'm contradicting myself, but I'm talking about like on sneakers. Like too much red is always a lot. I think I got the Bulls on Broadway 10s. I think I got Toro 4s. And I got the all red 18s. But other than that, too much red on sneakers I really don't like. Besides these Kobe joints I got on. It was Christmas. Come on. So flip open the lid. And your tissue paper reads United. Well, Unite. That's like a Jordan slogan that he's going with right now. And I think that's the whole slogan behind the NBA All-Star Weekend in Chicago. I seen the NBA uniforms, matter of fact. And they all different colors of the train stations, train subways in Chicago. All those colors represent that. I wonder why when they came to New York they didn't do that, knowing that we're known for our subway stations. But it's another story for another day. So again, you got the Unite paper with the I actually being the Jordan brand logo. After that, you got your regular white tissue paper. And let's start with the left shoe. So as you can see off the back, they come with two different shoestrings, your red, your white, and they come laced in the black ones. So they go your fire red all around your upper. And this leather is not the worst of leathers. It's not the soft of leathers, but it's quality. And that starts all the way here, your toe box, all the way to your upper. Then around the toes, you already know you have your signature elephant print. Elephant print is smooth and quality, guys. Elephant print around the toes. Then your bottom sole, your regular Jordan 3 silhouette dripped in white. Your air bubble here. Your elephant print more to the back. And we always love a Jordan 3 with a Nike Air on the back. That's what separates the men from the boys. Whenever Jordan put his little Jordan man here, I mean, some sneakers are cool, they pass, but we rather that Nike Air on the back. With your pull tab. Everything OG on this sneaker, nothing different. Your shoestring eyelids is a nice gray, cement gray actually. Complements the elephant print. Only thing I see different from a regular Jordan 3 on this sneaker is this tongue. The tongue looks like it could be 3M or it's just a regular gray. I mean, the naked eye can't really tell. We would have to really test it out. But it could be 3M. But back to this tongue. As y'all can see, this tongue seems more oval shaped and more shorter than your regular Jordan 3. Let me grab a Jordan 3 so I can compare it. 1 second. And these came straight from Nike, guys. They shock drop. Actually, I was watching a Laker game, or preparing to watch a Laker game around 10 o'clock. And they shock dropped on the sneakers app. That's how I got this early review. Back to the sneakers. Okay, we back. Right here I have your true blue Jordan 3s. Right here I have my Cement 3 Jordan 3s that came out last year. Top of last year. Or maybe this year. Now as y'all can see, y'all see these tongues on this? Now, let me bring in the Jordan 3 SEs. It's kind of hard juggling all three. Let's just do the cements. Now you see these are the Jordan 3 SEs, Fire Reds. And these are the Jordan 3 bread cements that came out last year. Now you see this tongue here? It's more higher, more plush, more puffy, more soft. This one here, it's more firm, less cushion. I'm not gonna lie, man, this is probably my favorite Fire Red Jordan 3 that ever came out. Take the shoe tree out. Regular Jordan shoe tree, nothing special. Inside is also Fire Red. Reads Nike Air there. regular shoe tag. Shoe size on the tongue. Doesn't read anything NBA All-Star-ish. It doesn't even say Unite or anything opposed to the NBA All-Star game. Let's check the right shoe. Here's your right shoe or your Jordan 3 Fire Red SE joints. Everything seems to add up to the left shoe. Same shoe tree. Yeah, nothing in the inside. Only thing I can say is that I guess Jordan 3 thought this sneaker could stand out on its own. It really didn't need any NBA All-Star decal. Because like I told y'all, they're very, very similar. They're eerie similar to the Khaled Grateful joints that's going for 20 bands right now. And also, this is the first Jordan 3 of the century. Not just the year, the century. And to make it all fire red was dope. We seen white, we seen gray, we seen black. I think this was a dope move, man. But I don't want to hold y'all too long. This is an early view. Jordan 3 Fire Red SE joints. R.I.P. Kobe, man. Anybody feeling like I'm feeling, you're not alone. I'm here for you, man. He's going to live on for ages. His daughter's really the big issue, but I don't know, man. Thanks for watching. Early review. I think these drop mid-February. I don't have a date right now. It's a super dope sneaker. If you could get your hands on it early, get your hands on it early. Super dope. Definitely worth the $200 price tag. Nike Air on the back. Dope sneaker, man. Again on foot today, I got on the Kobe Christmas joints. I want to say the Kobe 8s, but I don't know. But I got on the Christmas joints. R.I.P. Kobe again, man. We miss you. Thanks for checking me out. Hit that subscribe button. More reviews coming soon. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.
And then when tip-off came, the other Frank